You've probably seen it in movies, thick white smoke pouring out of a box, covering the floor like a mysterious cloud. But here's the strange part, that smoke isn't even smoke at all. It's something so cold that it can freeze skin in seconds, preserve food for days, and even make metal shrink. This is dry ice, frozen carbon dioxide, and the way it's made is far more extreme than most people realize. Every time you breathe out, your body releases carbon dioxide gas. Factories release it too, in massive amounts. Normally, this gas disappears into the air, invisible and unnoticed. But in dry ice factories, workers capture that gas before it escapes. The carbon dioxide is collected from industrial plants like ammonia factories or ethanol plants because these industries naturally produce huge amounts of CO2 during production. At first, the gas is dirty and mixed with impurities, water vapor, and other chemicals. So the first step is purification. The gas passes through filters and cleaning systems where unwanted particles are removed. Then powerful compressors squeeze the gas harder and harder. As the pressure increases, something fascinating begins to happen. Under normal conditions, carbon dioxide is just a gas. But when compressed under very high pressure and cooled down, it transforms into a liquid. Imagine turning an invisible gas into a clear liquid simply by crushing its molecules together. The liquid CO2 is then stored inside strong steel tanks under extreme pressure. Now comes the most dramatic part of the process. The liquid carbon dioxide is suddenly released into a chamber with much lower pressure. The moment this happens, the liquid rapidly expands and becomes extremely cold, around -78 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the coldest place most humans have ever experienced. Because of this sudden temperature drop, part of the liquid instantly turns into snow-like carbon dioxide crystals. Yes, dry ice actually begins as something that looks like white snow. Workers collect this frozen CO2 snow and push it into hydraulic presses. These machines apply enormous force, compressing the snow into solid blocks, pellets, or slices. And just like that, dry ice is born. But here's what makes dry ice truly bizarre. It doesn't melt into liquid water like normal ice. Instead, it skips the liquid stage completely. Scientists call this sublimation. Dry ice changes directly from solid into gas. That's why you never see puddles forming around it. And that mysterious fog people see around dry ice, it's not carbon dioxide itself. The freezing cold dry ice chills moisture in the surrounding air, turning tiny water droplets into visible fog. In other words, the smoke is actually water floating in the air. Because dry ice is unbelievably cold, touching it with bare hands can cause frostbite within seconds. That's why workers always use thick insulated gloves and protective tools while handling it. But despite the danger, dry ice is incredibly useful. Hospitals use it to transport vaccines, blood samples, and medical supplies across long distances. Food companies use it to keep frozen products cold during shipping. In concerts and movies, dry ice creates dramatic fog effects that crawl across the ground. Even scientists use it in laboratories because of its powerful cooling ability. And here's something even more surprising. Dry ice can make objects behave strangely. If you place dry ice under certain metals, the metal vibrates and creates eerie screaming sounds. Put it inside warm water, and huge clouds of fog explode outward like a science fiction experiment. Some people even use dry ice to inflate balloons without blowing into them. As the dry ice sublimates into gas, it expands nearly 800 times in volume. A tiny piece can produce an enormous amount of gas. But transporting dry ice is not simple. Since it constantly turns into gas, it must be stored in special containers that allow pressure to escape. If sealed completely, the expanding gas could cause containers to burst like bombs. What's incredible is that something made from an invisible waste gas becomes one of the coldest and most useful materials humans regularly use. From preserving life-saving medicines to creating Hollywood special effects, dry ice quietly powers industries all around the world. And the next time you see that mysterious white fog rolling across the floor, you'll know you're actually watching carbon dioxide transformed into a frozen solid so cold it behaves unlike almost anything else on Earth.